community activity, we've talked about threads. With keyword analysis, we're understanding the words. Now topic analysis allows you to break down both topics and hashtags and understand how those topics and hashtags are being used within your network. And let me give you some examples. So I can filter it down to my YAM topic. And what this is telling me is, first of all, when did this enter the lexicon of the organization? So when did we really start using that topic? And we can see we have a peak period of July and another peak period in November. Presumably that had something to do with maybe a campaign or some sort of corporate effort that we were running that really encouraged people to start using that. In which communities were these topics being used in? Which threads were those topics being used in? Again, I can sort and filter this particular thing to look at a particular thread and see what community it is being used in. So with a few simple mouse clicks, I can get a very deep analysis as to what's going on with regard to topics, which often is correlated to what's going on with a particular campaign that I'm running within the organization. Other things I may want to be interested in are, the types of environments people are using to access Yammer. So is it email, web, and so forth? Or I might want to dive down deeper into the particular devices that they're using with regard to accessing Yammer. And oftentimes it's broken down into mobile versus web app access and so forth. So again, some very rich analysis just by through a few mouse clicks and understanding kind of what's going on with topics in my network.